Dun, dun, dun. Look at that, another Biasi. Right, what we got here on this one is called error 01. Now, how are we going to sort this one out then? Let's press the reset first and then we'll see what happens. Right, so it's fired up. So that tells me the spark electrodes and spark generator is fine. Let's see if it does this 3 times ignition process. So after 3 attempts it goes off and it gives me an error code 01, which is an ignition process. So that tells me the gas valve, the spark, the electrodes are fine. It's just not keeping the flame alight. So I think most likely this electrode, I opened that up, let's check that out first. And guess what? What a lucky guess. It's broken. It's broken. So that was the reason why it couldn't keep the flame alight. So I'm going to go and get one and we're going to put it in and we're going to test it and we'll see if that does the job. So I've got a new electrode and every time I put a new electrode I always put a new gasket on it because the gaskets on these Biasis are so brittle. So I put a new gasket, luckily I bought a new gasket and guess what, it was in my pocket and once I got it out it was broken. Damn, luckily I had another spare one in the car, otherwise I was joked. So there's a new gasket which I had a spare one. The one I bought new with the electrode that was broken. But that's the old one I took off, excuse me. And this is the new one I just broke in the packet. So that's bad luck. But it can happen, guys. So what my recommendation is always have these gaskets in your car, spare ones. Right, the new electrode is in. I'm just going to make the connections on it and we're going to test it out and see if that's done the job and the boiler starts working fine after that. Right, it's holding flame now. So I think that's it. That's fine now. It's working fine. And the code's not coming up. That's okay now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully, that'll keep you happy. Guys, if your boiler is broken at Birmingham, South Birmingham, give us a call. So sorted now this one. It's an easy repair. But anyway, Birmingham boiler fix.